Good morning everybody! Today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. So starting off with breakfast, this morning I decided to make a ginger, beet, and apple juice. I've recently gotten super into juicing and I'm loving it. If you guys are interested in any of the juice recipes, please let me know in the comments down below and I will be happy to share them. After I finished my beet juice, we got started on the weekend brunch. So today, Sho and I made vegan scones together, and these little guys are strawberry and cream scones. And because the weather was super nice, we decided to move the party onto our balcony. And as you can see, we have an array of food here, ranging from coconut yogurt to dates and nuts, fresh blueberries, fresh strawberries, homemade granola, and of course our lovely little scones. And we even made one that's in a little heart shape. What did you do?
Let's put some yogurt.
Do you want a fresh strawberry on there? Unicorn! You look so gangster with your sunglasses on. It's like we can barely open our eyes. Okay. We spent about a good hour on our balcony just enjoying our scones and the beautiful sunlight. And in the afternoon, we went outside for a little walk along the canals and found a little cafe to get some coffee. Sho was hungry again, so he ordered a bagel and a salad, while I am going to enjoy my cup of oat cappuccino. Then we went to a Turkish supermarket to pick up a few of the things that I needed. Today we got some chamomile tea and black peppercorn and also a couple boxes of dates. This is also usually where I get most of my spices for cooking. So it's time for dinner, and since we were out and about, we decided to stop by one of our favorite salad places. And now I'm just showing off my new vegan sweater that I got a couple weeks ago from a vegan pop-up store. Our food finally came and it looks absolutely delicious. As we were waiting, Sho was doing a few levels of Candy Crush for me on my phone. Recently, we've been really addicted to this game and I'm currently on level 1000 something. Here's my salad, and this one is called the rainbow salad. It is filled with colorful veggies and grains. I also got a side of hummus and some toasted sunflower seeds. And Sho decided to go for something new off the menu, so he got this Caesar salad, and it has eggs, avocados, tomatoes, and these Parmesan chips. We both had a really lovely dinner and I absolutely loved my salad, especially the turmeric bulgur, which is the base of my salad. I've actually started to make it at home where I just put some turmeric into the bulgur when I'm cooking it, and it brings out a really lovely golden color and a super unique flavor. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this What I Eat in a Day video. If you guys have any recipe requests, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel for more recipe vlog videos. Bye guys!